an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss a topic in the Introduction to Mechanical Engineering. So in our Introduction to Mechanical Engineering, we are going to discuss about the introduction about mechatronics. Okay. So coming to mechatronics. So what is mechatronics? Have you heard what is mechatronics? What is the difference between mechanical and mechatronics? Any idea?
Mechanical means it is dependent on full of core companies. Mechatronics means core company plus some robotics.
Okay. Very good. So what is Karthik's point of view is that mechanical is purely based on some machines, whereas some mechatronics have some aligned with the some other cores. Okay. So coming to our topic here, mechatronics is nothing but it combines a word of mechanical and electronics. Okay. So from here we can see that mechanical plus some electronics components are involved to control it. Okay. So the study of both this mechanical and the electronics combined is called as mechatronics, and this mechatronics was coined by a Japanese person. Okay. So coming to the next. So now, so what is mechatronics and what is important in this mechatronics? Okay. So from our thing here, we are integrating some different cores. So mechanical is the main core, and mechatronics is the another important core, where it combines the mechanical, electronics, and we have control engineering and also computer science. So these all the cores are combined together to form a branch called as mechatronics engineering. So here it is given, and here in this mechatronics, all the machines are controlled manually, but in the implementation of mechatronics, what happens is the systems and the conventional machines are controlled by a computer. Okay, so by using some electronic devices such as sensors. So this integration is called as mechatronics engineering. Okay, so coming to our mechatronics. Okay, so this is the core mechatronics. Okay, so here what are the combines is, first this is the mechanical technology. So mechanical is the base technology. Okay, so all the manufacturing, all the designing, all the components are made by mechanical engineering. Okay, so this is the base. Okay, so here we are using mechanical softwares. We are using CAD softwares. We are using many ANSYS softwares. So many softwares are used. So what is the purpose of these softwares is, we are using in the design, and also we are using in the simulations, and we are analyzing. Okay, we are using many softwares. Okay, and coming to our electrical technology. Okay, so this mechanical machines can't run by itself. So we need some electrical technologies and electrical energy, whereas some motors has to be supported. So okay, so this electrical energy plays an important role integrated with mechatronics. And coming to this electrical softwares, so the embedding of the control systems and the wires and everything are coming under the of electrical softwares. Okay, and these electromechanicals, we are using many sensors and everything to control. And coming to the computer technology. Okay, so the total system has to be operated, has to be controlled by a particular operations and by a particular domain. So that domain is taking place with the help of this computer technology. As some examples, we are using IoT, like that we are using some technologies. Okay, so so this is the total manufacturing and material processing and everything. Okay, what is the mechatronics is combined. Okay, so here the heart is the mechatronics. Okay, heart is the mechatronics, whereas this mechatronics has combined with this mechanical CAD plays a very important role. Okay, in the designing, and then we are using computers to control and all the other parts, and we have digital control systems, we have normal control, electronics based control systems, and then we have electronic system and then mechanical systems. Now for example, if you take a real world examples, if you go for this, so this is a conventional milling machine, and then this is a turning machine. Okay, so this machine has incorporated with the help of a robotic arm. Okay, so what is the purpose of this robotic arm is to load the components inside this milling and turning. Okay, so this is a conventional mechanical system, whereas this conventional mechanical system is incorporated with then software by using some robots. Okay, so now this system has been automated. Okay, so this automation is placed by the field of this mechatronics. So here we have seen control. We are having control systems, electronic systems, mechanical systems, and computers. So we are having a system here. We are having the mechanical systems here. We are having the electronic system. We have sensors and everything. We are having this electrical circuits. So everything are combined together to make this system. So what happens is the manually is converted into some automation. So this is the core importance of this mechatronics engineering. So what happens in what is the working principle of a mechatronics engineering? Okay, what is the typical system? First is some action has to be made. Okay, if in a manufacturing process we are doing some production process, we are doing some many processes. Okay, so that is called as an action. So every process has to be controlled. So here comes the control. Okay, so we want to control all the process, and we have to make the process combined to the environment. Okay, what is happening nearby. Okay, so if you take this robot arm, so this robot arm can pick and place a robot. Okay, so it has to sense the environment, what is happening nearby. Okay, so it should not cause any damage or any accident to the nearby workers or anything. So here, action, control and sensing environment, these are the core of the mechatronics systems. Okay, this is the modules of the mechatronics system. Let us discuss in the next lecture series. Okay, thank you.